how to roll a option in Etrade. And I'm also going to talk about what is rolling an option. What does that mean? Now, in this video, am I going to break down exactly what an option is and how it goes down? No. This video, we're going to talk exactly about how to roll an option with Etrade.
Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, hit that like, comment, and share button.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls and children of all ages, you're now tuned into the Investor Show. As always, this is your gracious host, the Prince of Investing, Prince Dykes, coming to you guys and girls live all the way from the beautiful city and state of Denver, Colorado. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, comment, and share button. And as always, I don't have a lot of time, and I definitely know you guys and girls don't have a lot of time, so let's jump straight into it. This video, we're going to talk about how to roll an option inside of Etrade. So for prime example, I have a CrowdStrike option at September 4th for $111 call, right? So let's say if this option is getting ready to expire and I want to roll it, meaning I want to push it back to another date. You just go into your portfolio, you go right here, you click on the little down arrow, boom. You're going to click on the word roll. Once you click on the word roll, this is what it's going to do. It's saying, hey, I want to sell close. I want to sell this option that I have. I want to sell the close, and I want to buy to open a new option. Now, this used to mean a lot because fees used to be very high. Whenever you sold a call, then brought a new one, it would, cost you money. But since fees are pretty low right now, it's not as effective unless you have a lot of contracts. But if you only got like one or two contracts, is not that big of a difference. But you are pretty much selling one call to buy another one. So you're taking the money out of one, and so you can get around the transaction fees. People love to just roll it. And then you go down here, you put the market price. Net credit is when you're taking money. Net debit is when you put money out, or even. But this if you put it in the market price. So it's telling me this is going to cost $106 for me to sell one call and to buy another one. People do this when, hey, it hadn't hit the price I wanted to hit, but I want to hold on to it, so they want to roll it. They want to roll it over to a later date. Get away from September 4th, take me to September 11th. Give me another week to see if this option will hit the point or whatever I want to do. So that's simple and easy, ladies and gentlemen. That's how you roll a call inside of Etrade. And also, that's what rolling a call is, the expiration date, rolling over to another expiration date. And you also can roll it over to, you could change the strike price. You could change that. If you want to roll it over into a put, people do all type of things. You can roll over to a put. You can roll over to a call. You can change the expiration date. You don't have to go to the next week. You can go to any week you want to go to. And you also can change the strike price as well. So that's how you roll a call or an option inside of Etrade. Don't forget that like, subscribe, comment, and share button. My name is Prince Dykes. This is Investor Show. Until the next video, podcast, cartoon, or whatever else crazy you see me do around the globe. Peace. Be safe. I'm out. And thank you.